Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. One second. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to teach you how to do something with your gum. Double gum or something. So as you can see, I already took out the wrapper and you're kind of kneading it through to make slime. And this slime will be like a butter / fluffy slime. It'll be pretty nice.
They mostly stay back at the office.
And I like to roll it. Now twist and pull and twist and pull. And then
Sorry, everyone. He gets out sometimes.
and the more you think of it, like
Scooter Busty is a garbage baby. Maybe he's just misunderstood.
when you roll it and stuff.
Oh, sorry. I didn't realize your brother was a liberal. What?
And the more you play with your slime, the better it will get. When you're kneading it through, after you will have to wash your hands.
Jimbo, deliver the package.
Mommy, that was on the show. Oh, sorry, we're watching philosophy.
It says we won a free baby swing. Ooh, latest model from Japan. Super advanced technology. Fancy. No assembly instructions. Nice work, Jimbo.
8.
Stacy, arrange a meeting.
Sorry, I didn't rush. Let's work hard on this.
Scooter, why are we
By the way,
conversation?
the thing I posted of Let's Taste Test,
You act cute.
I was gonna iMovie it, but I wasn't able to.
You doozy, they doozy.
So with my new cookbook, I baked potato chips, and I taught you how.
What did he say?
What you do is slice about 3 potatoes. We did 6, and you put them in a bowl. Preheat the oven to 425
Take it away. You can't do that. I thought we were supposed to
with the baking sheets. Bake 2 baking sheets in there. And you toss it with olive oil and salt and put it in the oven till it's golden brown, which will take about 5 minutes.
We just need to find out what Scooter Busty wants. Busty, let's do some business.
Okay?
That was hard cash, you maniac! Maybe this one goes in there. Final offer. Bronze shoes, front row tickets to Patty Feltmonster's Wiggling Jug Band, and we'll throw in Jimbo's personal stuffed companion. Dr. Fluffbum, we always love you.
Alright, let's stretch this out.
It's like negotiating with North Korea. It's my job on the line, people. Somebody help me out.
Okay,
You want me to?
and the more you pull it,
Think of the lawsuits.
the better your slime will get. Thanks so much for watching. Be slimy, guys. Bye.